Inside your gut is a real living colony of bacteria. Some of these bacteria are good, and some are downright bad. Each day is a battle between the good and bad in your gut. A lot of times, unfortunately, the bad claim victory. Your immune system is compromised and your health suffers. This is where probiotics come into play. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeast that can help restore a thriving colony of good bacteria in your digestive system. They help keep your gut healthy so your immune system can fight off intruders and you can enjoy well-being. Following are 7 signs you need more probiotics. 1. You are taking or have been taking an antibiotic in the last 5 years. Sure, antibiotics can help us feel better when we are suffering from an infection. But did you know that antibiotics destroy all your good gut bacteria while killing the bad bugs that are making you sick? This leaves your digestive system out of whack. Other drugs that also rob your gut of good bacteria include birth control pills, pain medication, and anti-inflammatories. 2. You have had food poisoning. If you have had to suffer through the misery of food poisoning, you won't soon forget it. Neither will your gut. Food poisoning destroys your healthy bacteria, while the bad bacteria moves in and sets up camp. If you have never repopulated your good bacteria after food poisoning, chances are your health will suffer. 3. You have an unhappy digestive system. Perhaps your gut is always angry. You might suffer from stomach pain, constipation, diarrhea, or food intolerance. Any of these things can be a sign that you don't have enough healthy bacteria in your stomach and you need a probiotic. 4. You suffer from a skin condition. Chronic dry skin, eczema, or even just dull and listless skin can be a true sign that you do not have enough healthy bacteria in your gut. 5. You get sick often. Does it seem like you go from one cold to another and can never seem to stay well? This is a good indication that your immune system is compromised and your gut is not healthy. 6. You have a yeast overgrowth. Any kind of issue with yeast is a sign that you do not have enough good bacteria in your digestive tract. 7. You are depressed. 95% of serotonin, the happy hormone, is made in your gut. If your gut is unhappy and full of bad bacteria, you won't have enough serotonin. Once you get your gut back where it needs to be, you will find your mood improving and your outlook change. Try taking a good probiotic supplement.